Hello everyone, in this quick tutorial I'm going to show you how to save PNG with transparent background in Illustrator. First, open the Illustrator, then import a logo if you want to export. Then go to the view menu and click on the show transparent guide. Now we make a transparent artboard. Then go to the file menu, click on the export and click on the export as, and save types we chose PNG, then export, and you can change DPI. Also you can change background color, transparent, white and black. Then OK. If you find this video helpful, please subscribe to our graphics solution tricks channel and click on the bell icon for more updates.